Good day, traders. Oh, I'm out of breath. A little bit late today. Had to go out somewhere. We had enough crazy action, or just right here and here. Actually, this was the crazy fucking candle right here. Crazy fucking candle. This one. I was gonna show you something. That's why I have these two gray lines on here, but I just don't feel like it now. Had to go outside, and anyway, I'll show you quickly. See right here, this fucking range right here? See, they faked them right here, came back in. Faked them again, came back in. Faked them again, even better, took it back in. And then again, and they took it back in. So what you do in this kind of situation where they keep faking, if you get faked out once, don't get faked out twice. So you let it either go a nice move all the way down here and then look for a trade, or a nice move up here somewhere and then look for a trade. Well, as you can see, they took it out of there, but look what they did. Right there, they bought it back up again, right off this level, right? And then they brought it down again. Then it just turned into this chop shop until we come over here, did a little bit of a movement, but not much. And here, look at this fucking shit, man. Sideways shit. That's being done on purpose, man. I'm telling you, they're mad. They're pissed off. They're not winning. Do you know what I mean? They're not winning. Okay, that's all I'm going to say. They're not winning. They're fucking pissed. So they're taking out on us poor traders here. Not nice. So anyway, after it did, was it this one? Oh yeah, it was this one. So I stuck around in here, okay, and I bought it in here up to here, and I was thinking up here. I was saying, oh, should I sell it? Should I sell it? I know it's totally against what I do, but. And I chickened out, and then look what happened. It just fucking dropped so nicely. I would have got out probably right here if I sold it somewhere right around the top. I would have got out somewhere right here just before the main pivot of the day. But I never did the trade. I chickened out, man. Chicken, bark, bark! Chicken head. Bark, bark! But what do we have right here, ladies and gentlemen? Oh, and here. What do we have here? We have a hookup right there. There's the sell fake, and then they walk it down, or right there, and then they take it back up. You would have bought it in here, and it went all the way up here. Excuse me, I just burped. Didn't mean to. And what's this here? Actually, there's another one right here too. Sell fake. Up here, buy it, up it goes. Here's another one, sell fake, buy it up here, and up it goes. Those are my hook ups. Hook up and hook up. Do I need to put the diamond on each one? Okay. I put them on just for you guys. Yeah, just for you guys. Right there. 3 hookups, man. Holy fuck, my mouth got dry all of a sudden. I know. It's that shit there. Okay. So those were the trades. Those were the trades, ladies and gentlemen. I don't see any fucking divergence. Just hookups. And what about over here? There was some divergence over here somewhere, wasn't there? Oh, yeah, right here. Here it is. Let me show you the divergence. I was up at this time, so I get to show you. So we have a low and a lower low. Yeah, low and lower low. And on the Osma, it's pointing up. See how my stick's pointing up? That means it's going to go up. And that's what it did. And then we had bearish divergence up here. Boom ski, like that. And like this right here. Okay, and you would have sold it right in there. And it went down and you would have got good on it. Yeah. So we had two. Oh, I'm missing the arrow here. I think it's on this one. So you had a bought in here, it went up, you would have made money. You would have sold right here and it went down and you would have made money. Okay, and after that, that's when it turned into this sidewinder shit show right in fucking here. Okay, wasn't good. And I already showed you the hookups over here after the market opened. Maybe this is a 2 minute. Maybe on a 1 minute, there's divergence down here, a double bottom, right off S2. But anyway, there's nothing on the 2 minute chart. Okay. Okay, so that's it for the NASDAQ. Let's now take a look at the NASDAQ. Again, the 5 minute. Do we have any divergence on the 5 minute? We have a low and a lower low, but you see how this is deeper than the left side? The left side has to always be bigger than the right side. Otherwise, it's not divergent. Okay? There I am going over here to the toolbox of NinjaTrader, and we're not on NinjaTrader. We're on MetaTrader 4, built by the Russians. Yes, built by the Russians for the brokers to fuck all their clients and steal their money. Yeah, that's what this platform's good for. Awful. Just awful. There's so much crooked shit in this trading game, it isn't fucking funny. It's just manipulated, controlled, and on top of it, they slip the living fucking shit out of you when you get in the trade, and then they slip the living shit out of you when you get out of the trade. But you know what? They do that in fucking futures too. And almost just as bad, if not worse. Yeah, if not worse. It's unbelievable. Wherever, like I said before, I'm sure I said it to you guys, wherever there is money, somebody's trying to steal it. Doesn't matter where the money came from, if you're a toilet paper salesman, or you're a trader, or you're a bubble gum maker, wherever there's money to be stolen, there's people that are there trying to steal it. And that's it. And that's all. It's a very, very crooked, corrupt world we live in, unfortunately. Okay, that's my speech for today. NASDAQ, there's no divergence here. We got the low and lower low, but we don't have the correct setup on the OSMA. So it's a no-go. But we do have lower close, buy it, up it goes. Okay, we have a couple of those. We had trades. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. And right here, we have a hookup. Sell fake, buy it back up. You know, it goes back up. You buy it right here, and up it goes. And that's the only ones I'll mark. There's another one up there, but that's enough. Let's look at the S&P now. Holy jeez, my mouth got dry. And once again, at the bottom, no divergence with the lower lows here. No divergence. Okay? But we do have a wicked trade here if you got the balls to take it. And it was right here. That's actually a hookup. Here's another hookup. And another hookup. There's fucking 3 or 4 of them. I'll just put that there like that. Meaning buy it, up it goes. Okay, that's good for that. Let's look at the wick monster. Oh, look at the wicks here. More wicks. More wicks. There's always wicks on this sucker, man. At least there's divergence on it, though. We have a low and a lower low. Yeah, yeah. And right in here. And we would have got long right on the opening of this candle right here. You would have gotten the trade zero. Absolutely zero drawdown. And it went up 256 points. What a beautiful thing, eh? Wow. Wow, mama. Wow. Okay. What do I want to put here? Right here. Here's a buy right there. It's a lower close, but it's pretty close to the 5. It would have been oh my God, I got the hiccups. Right here. It would have been a good trade, 124 points to the top. And up here, was there a trade? No. Then it came down here and did its sideways shuffle shit. That's what it did. Pound dollar. Oh, look at the pound. We got some nice trades on the pound today. Low and lower lows. Yeah, gotta love them lower lows. For those who don't believe, oh well, fuck ya. Fuck if you can't take a joke. But those are lower lows with divergence. Buy it right fucking there. Clear as day. Buy it and up it goes. You know, about 25 to 30 pips right there. And here's topping formation. This barcode printout right here. Yeah, and then right here we have a lower close. Buy it up it goes right here. Boom. That was a good trade too. How much did it give you? Oh, 20 pips. Yeah, it was good. Euro? Oh, the euro had divergence too. Looked a little different, but it had it. Yeah, man. Yeah. The euro went up more than the pound, 30 pips. Okay, pound yen, what did it do? Oh, look at that long fucking wick. 51 pip wick on the pound yen. Oh, you have any idea how many people got fucking screwed on this thing? It was the news, wasn't it? 10 o'clock? Yeah, 10 o'clock. That was the jolts. The jolts. They jolted all right. They jolted it right back up again. Sorry, I think that's funny. The jolt. The fucking jolt. Okay, there's the divergence. There's the sell. And it only went down 25 pips. And then it came back up. Yeah. Euro yen. What about the euro yen? Same big wick on it. See that? You see some kind of pattern here? Each pair has different patterns. It's so funny. It's like, I don't know. But there's the divergence. And you would have got in long there. It went up 75 pips to the top. Okay, I had to take a little break there for a sec. Yeah, there was divergence up here, believe it or not, from here to here. And this is ones that are very difficult to find, but they are divergent. Yes, indeed. And the entry would have been right there on that candle. Let's open it up here. And you would have got short right there, and it went down 30 pips. And then the news happened. You shouldn't trade the news because this big spike could spike you right through your heart. Yeah, that's why you don't trade the news. I'm trading the news. Do. Don't trade the news. Unless you're really talented and You're good at getting in and out of the trade quick, and you're good at getting in at the right place and getting out of the right place and being on the right side. That's the whole key to all trading philosophy, is getting in on the right side. It's when you get in on the wrong side that none of us can help. It just happens, because the market price flips on a dime, man. It's going up. Next thing you know, it's fucking going back down, and you're in losses, and you panic, and then you freeze, and then you don't close the trade, then you fucking lose. That's what happens. It's fucked up. And it happens to everyone, me included, everyone. Doesn't matter how long you traded, 23 years, 23 days is going to get you. Sooner or later, it's going to get you. Okay, all right. Let's move on now to oil. What did oil do today? Oh, beautiful trade up here. Double top. Short right on the opening of this candle. And it went down 80 points. This is oil, crude oil. Then we had more hidden divergence, okay, right here. And it was a sell trade also, right in there. Stop would have been right here, just above this wick, 24 ticks. And it went down for you, 88 pips, or 88 ticks or so it went down. Okay. And, one sec here. Then we had, along the way, we had a higher close, sell it, down it goes. And we had one more of those puppies right there. If you were willing to take it, higher close, sell it, boom, down it goes. And that's it. And once you've seen, you know, it came down all this way and this last one worked, don't try another one after that. I wouldn't even advise to try any below right here, because this is the mid-range. This is the middle of the range from up here to here. This is in the middle of the mid-range. So it was still okay to take a trade from here, but it's higher risk when you're taking it from down here, because you don't want to sell at the bottom. Right, guys and gals? Right. Okay. So that's oil, and yeah, there's a few nice trades on there. There was a couple higher close, sell it, down it goes, and two hidden, hard to see divergence trade setups. Yes, indeed. Okay. Let's look at gold. Oh, that's divergent right down here to the wicks. Low and lower, lower wick. And this one right to there. There's a little orange doodah there. You see the doodah? Yeah, that's the doodah. It lines right up with it. And that's what we want to see. Yeah, and you would have got long right there and there. And your stop would be right here, not a tick lower than the low of this wick right here. Okay? So when it came and it went sideways and sideways, if you got out, well, you got out because you freaked out, because your stop needs to be right here. How many other traders, what do you call it, streams, do they show you where to put the stop? And 9 times out of 10, it doesn't come back and hit it. I think I'm the only one. I think I'm the only one. I'm not kidding you. Anyway, so there's the trade, and if you would have got in it, this is gold, went up 200 ticks to the top. And up here, this is another double top right there. And the entry would have been right there. And it went down 68 ticks. And down here, you could fight and say that it was double bottom. If you're really looking for one, right there. And that one's coming up right there like that. You would have been a buyer in here. That's it. That's all. That's a little dip along the way. Oh, and we have some of these. Hold on, hold on. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. Lower close, buy it right there, and up it goes. Zero drawdown. This one here had a little bit of drawdown. See the wick? The wick would have got you. Anyway, so that's it for the main markets that move that we look at. Let's see what Bitcoin did today. Oh my God. It's almost at a fucking all-time high. Holy jeez Louise. But I bet you XRP isn't. No fucking way it is. There's no way. I don't believe it. I bet you it's down today. Oh, I hate to look at it. Oh, it's up a little bit. It's definitely not at an all-time high. Silver's hanging on up there. Ethereum's creeping back up. But look at this, man. Look at this. Look at fucking Bitcoin, eh? Look at this. It's just a few ticks away to make an all-time new high. Look at that fucking shit. Woo-wee. She's a-going. She's a-going, man. I know I should have bought some Bitcoin a long time ago, but I didn't. I don't trust it. That's the problem. Anyway, I won't go into details of why about that. So anyway, that's it for the setups for today. Oh, look at the fucking NASDAQ still climbing up. Anyway, thank you for watching and listening, and hope you have yourself a great afternoon, and good luck and good trading. We'll see you tomorrow.